So I decided to learn Fusion 360 because I thought, you know what, usually when I use Blender or Maya or other things, it's hard to create things such as an AC cover using the correct dimensions. So I thought, okay, well, let's use a tool that's it's good for engineering and all that. But it takes a really long time for you to turn the files or export the files into STL files or OBJ files, which is kind of annoying. I think it may be because my internet is so slow. And the other thing that I found to be really annoying was, if you see here, when I imported it as an OBJ, I think it lost the correct size. So let's see if I can find it and import it. It goes under downloads now. It just throws it on here. Let's try putting that in there here. Okay, so if you make an STL file, it'll keep the correct dimensions, but if you turn it into an OBJ, it won't. Well, I'm gonna 3D print it and see if it works. So I'll catch you in the next video.